Hi guys, today we will discuss our next topic, this request response and CRUD operation in Express.js. So I am assuming you already means gone through the and you are comfortable with the earlier concept which we learned in previous two lectures like middleware and basic of this Express. Okay, means how to create a server, how to you can say listen and assign a port and listen on that particular port. Okay, so before you can say jumping into that, just a minute, I need to revert the deleted file and need to use this file. Let me delete this extra file. Okay, so here you can say first we will understand the theory part of request response and what is the use cases, and after that we will make a simple project for this student management system API, and so that you are comfortable there. Okay, so for request means in our in every Express project, whatever it's a hello world, whatever is there, we check this. This is a request and response. This is called response. Okay, short form of this is short form of request. This is short form of request, and we pass these two as a you can say handler parameter. Okay, and you can use for handling the request and response. So for request object represent the HTTP request has a property for request query param query string. Okay, and means if we talk about the you can say request, how we can request, we can request in a different manner. Let me show you on Bruno or any you can any client, either Postman, Bruno, Insomnia, whatever is there, they use the same terminologies. Okay, like this here you can say this is a our one request. Okay, this is a post request, and if you check in this post request, so we are passing the data in the form of multi-part form. Okay, multi-part form, and apart from that you also you can say share the request body as a raw in the form of JSON, in the form of XML text or SparkQL. Okay, and you can do this. Means there are different ways. One is this body, and body also have a different ways to send a data, but for mostly these are the things. And if you send this as a query string, then you can use this. Let's say id is equal to 10, and okay, and you can say this username is equal to hello, stuff like that. This is called query. Okay, and if you normally send in a param as well, this is a this, and this is a query param. Okay, and if you pass this as a path param, you can also do that, like 10, 20 is totally up to you. Okay, and also you can pass the you can say request come with a you can say your this URL and your request body and your header. Means you can pass here anything, whatever you need to pass to execute or perform a specific task. Okay, so we will discuss go detail into theory of this. You can see this is request param. You can check that naming convention, it's using params, so it's representing this. If you are sending anything here, then it's a go into a param. Okay, let's say this. Okay, make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and if you, let's say, use this, this is a query param and this is a normally path param. Okay, so referenced and stuff like that. So this is param. Okay, so how you will get the param? With the help of request.param, you will get the route parameter. This is called route parameter. Okay, for this string param, you can use request.query, and for body is whatever body is this. Okay, you can use this body, and for header you can use this header, and to get a method of that endpoint, means what kind of method is using post, put or delete or get, you can use this. Okay, as I told you, request have a URL as well. With the help of that, you can use a this get a URL as well. Any question or concern, guys? Sonika, Kapil, Shivani, Chitendra? No?
No, sir.
Then this is a request and this is a response. Okay, so response, you can send a response with the help of send method, which will send a test. Plain test means earlier example we will see when we are printing special or hello world, they are sending in a simple format. Am I right? Or you can send a JSON object, HTML, whatever you want to send, you can use this send method and do that. Okay, and for JSON, if you want to send a JSON response, auto set content type JSON in a request or response, then this will work. Okay, and the status will give you a HTTPS status. If you want to send a status with your request, which will display here when we run this. Okay, so I will show you when we run that. Okay,
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.